Hi, my name is Diana Toro, and I'm a medical school student at the Medical College of Georgia. This is the pandemic update for February 14th, 2021. The number of COVID-19 deaths in Georgia remains high. As of February 14th, it's just short of 14 million deaths. Over the last 2 weeks, the average number of deaths per day in Georgia was about 100. However, the good news is that the number of new cases and hospitalizations continues to decrease. In addition, death numbers lag behind case numbers by about 3 weeks. Therefore, so long as the case numbers continue to decrease, we may be moving in the right direction. Here we're looking at the current number of vaccination doses that have been administered across the United States as of February 14th. This graph shows the number of single doses that were administered per state, and we see that the number for Georgia is 1.44 million so far. Today, a preliminary study was released identifying 7 growing lineages of the coronavirus found across different states in the U.S. All the variants share the same mutation at position 677. The mutation occurs in a region of the virus that binds to human cells, prompting researchers and scientists to further investigate these strains. However, it is unclear if these mutations make the virus more contagious. It is difficult to draw many conclusions about the prevalence of these new strains because genomic sequences are obtained from less than 1% of coronavirus test samples. According to the CDC, nearly 53 million COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered in the U.S. This is 2 million more doses since yesterday, making the 7-day average about 1.6 million doses per day. Over 38 million people have now received at least one dose of the vaccine, and about 14 million people have been fully vaccinated, according to the CDC. Earlier today, Dr. Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, stated that the variant of coronavirus in South Africa is more problematic than the variant identified in the UK. Dr. Fauci has stated that people in South Africa who were previously infected with the original virus and recovered were then reinfected with the new variant. However, some good news is that evidence shows that the vaccine is better than prior natural infection at preventing reinfection with the South African variant. Some good news for today is that on Wednesday, February 10th, Augusta University Health opened a new vaccine clinic at Washington Square Shopping Center on Washington Road. The Augusta National Golf Club donated the site to AU Health along with $2 million joint donation with the Community Foundation for the CSRA. The site holds multiple vaccination stations, and many of the volunteers working at the clinic are MCG students. These are my references. And this concludes the pandemic update for February 14th. Check out our Instagram to stay up to date with more information about COVID-19.